can't say 30 minutes or less, but I could say a week or less. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. So I mentioned that I had done a drive-by will signing, and that was last week, and I brought a card table, 2 witnesses, and a chair, and we signed the will in the sidewalk outside my client's apartment building. And today I delivered the will. Now, I had brought the will, the fully executed will, back to my office. I bound the will in a backing, and it's in an envelope, and it's been in my office, and I had scheduled and I had the opportunity to bring the will back to the client. I telephoned her and she came down, and I handed it through the window. Not 30 minutes or less, or your will is free, but maybe I'll go with the week or less and your will is free. So I thought that was pretty cool. That was the ending of that story. It did make me want to explain to the viewing public that when you have a will and it has a backing, right? It's just a back is his last will and testament. It doesn't make the document any more official or legal. The important thing to remember and to know is that when the will has staples in it, those staples cannot be removed, right? So the backing is just it's like the cover to a book report, right? But once it's stapled, if you unfasten the staples, there's the presumption that the will was tampered with. And it's a rebuttable presumption, but why go through that? Another little, just a couple of odds and ends. Today I saw a client in my office, and I actually think this is the first client that I personally saw since the pandemic started, right? The lockdown, shelter in place. I know my associate has seen clients. He had a couple of emergency proceedings, so he had clients in the office. And I know that I've seen people in my office. They may have been existing clients that popped in while I was there, dropped off a document here or there. But this was an actual scheduled appointment. I'm on a referral list from the Queens County Bar Association, and this person had inquired for the Bar Association for a legal matter, and then they referred her to me, and I interviewed her, gave her a consultation today. She had a mask and gloves on. I had a mask and gloves, and it was a little awkward. We both had to speak a little bit louder, maybe repeat a few things. I'm sure we've all had the experience of speaking with masks at this point, but nonetheless, we got through the appointment. I was able to provide some information, and I'll be able to assist her. So if you have any questions for me, we could do it by email or phone. Please reach out. Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you very much.